Munene wa KIGINA nwe control of budget Daktari Margaret Nyakango na atemanĩte na gavana wa kaunti ya Meru KAWIRA Mwangaza, spika wa mbunge kaunti ya Meru BUNDI na atongeria bangi kenda kuthiria nkuchaniria ikuonekaja kaunti ya Meru mono chiege KIGINA ke ward fund. Nyuma ya rwadia rwa Margaret na ataririte gute KIGINA takiu kirindene ya katiba ende antone yakyo gukethagirwa kuri na mirandi kamenyekanaga ta ward community projects area gavana ari na uhuru wa gutara kethira aejane kanari. Boniface Mongera na gukadimu chemanio ni juju katwechio ikinyaga.
Igikaro gya kwerekithania mantu nyakoja ikawerune kirayo ikimurungamiri nyamwerekithirio budget ya mwingi control of budget bi Margaret Nyakongo gati ka gavana kaunti ya Meru Bikara Mwangaza na spika bunge kaunti ya Meru bonayo BUNDI ikiamberia ikwambirite kamurutira kangi kamwanya. Bwana Spika kagita kamagita nteresho ndishikoto shokiria tojo kona nisho shiumene no. Spika iwo BUNDI na wikabirite na kila kwa bunge kaunti Meru bona Jakubu Kirari mutongero baba wengi kire bunge bona Mawira Karia na MCO kibirichia Jakubu Mwirigi.
Please, can we have some peace?
Gavana KAWIRA Mwangaza nwe na kwibangite na siyo bona Nchamba Mbithe na Minister of KIGINA Shwe Monica Kadhono. Anto jako maria najo na gitumwe ikingi kia nyonkuru bi Margaret Nyakongo oro karire farina tumire viaro kirindo e wondifa na kwa gavana Mwangaza akuingiria mbao mbere MCAs.
The word ward fund is actually a misnomer. That is not what the MCAs are talking about. It has been explained in this meeting that what is required are ward community projects, not a ward development fund.
And from today, I'm so happy, and from now, if it is ward development projects, we are very ready as county government of Meru to share with them what has been discussed, what has been anchored in CIDP.
Kingi nakyo kireo karia kura kwereanwa na kira kyo baretete naja Nairobi ne dure MCs batere kudura bagita moni gokone manto mirandi kirondi ciao ndene karone be public participation bale MCs kana nyanto bawithire.
Are we going to identify the projects and priorities together, or they do it alone? Because that is the main question, and that is what has brought us here.
So what usually I do is to give my views.
As a member of that ward.
Yes,
as a member of the public.
Okay.
Yes.
No argument about that.
You are not an MCA there.
Then they are the ones to go with the documents. Yes. I'm on
Right. Right.
Yes.
Right.
So I don't know what is that is right.
That MCAs can participate from their wards as members, as citizens of those areas, and they can also participate when they wear their hats in the county assembly. But when they are participating out there, they don't wear the oversight hat because they should not intimidate anybody when participation is going on.
Nteto ekibari na murigo jo munejo aritingoge baraba kwerekana bati kibande kithirikare nthiru na barathirikare gavana KAWIRA Mwangaza kagite ne gaka akwebethe tubongerete mishara kumonga jo 35 mwanka monga jo 46 nio ni shokerwo jo.
We are not saying you sack them. Please use them. Find ways of how these people, even if it means retraining, but I know that many of them can be of some use somewhere, and do away with the casuals.
Gamba na oriri kiro nkubuli kya muthia nteresho ijirishiro shita cia karenthe ugoro na barikanie.
They will join our team there as members of the community, not wearing the kofias of MCAs. Wearing the kofias of MCAs will be their duty while in the assembly, lakini si kwa ground.
Madam Chair, what I'm requesting our governor in a nutshell is that let us sit down and agree on a minimum figure that is going to go to every ward, and then involve just the MCAs in identification of the project.
And that going forward, the two are going to work together for the benefit of the Meru people.
Bube bwa kenda bwakumina bwekinyanira otwe katika spika na gavana Kawira Mwangaza arauga ethro bageta witanira ngoge. Gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza na njuri ewe spika yo BUNDI kinywe na njuri ewe bakiumaje kingina kenero bashokirete rutero Meru kirage kinne kirabane nkire kudrobe gwatanira no tubara kugwatanira ngoge etite kabobwega. Nke report la Ntoshoro TV Njuma kumaje kingina kitwa Nairobi beta Boniface Mongera.